Here's where you can go to add some widgets on your lock screen, as well as rearrange the order that they appear. This is the Galaxy A55 smartphone. Let's get started. So to give you an idea of what I'm talking about here, if you're new to Samsung phones, every time you press your power button and your lock screen content shows up like this here, you can tap on the time right there and you're going to load up the lock screen widgets here, which in some cases you can access some of these without having to unlock your phone. So now if you want to get here to make changes to that, this is where you're going to go. So you'll start by using the quick panel access, tap on the settings icon right here. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the settings area here, then go down until you see the lock screen and AOD right here. Once in this section now, you'll look for the widgets option, this one right here. As you tap on that here, this is where you can go to make your changes. So one, you'll notice that there's a list of widgets here. And of course, the more you have, the more you will see there. You can get some more, by the way, from the Galaxy theme store, and you can try them out yourself. So if you want the music, the weather, today's schedule, all of that stuff here, you can turn them on. And if there's some that you don't want, let's just say, for example, the routines, you can turn that off, or any other that you don't want. Now, if you want them to appear in a specific order on your lock screen, you'll go to where it says reorder right here. As you tap on that here, you'll notice the different list view here. And what you're going to do is simply just hold it down. You'll notice how it highlights like that, and then you can rearrange it. So now what you're basically doing is placing them into another position as to how you can go about viewing them on a lock screen. Okay, so now the music is going to be there first. That's going to be there next. All right. Now, once you're done, you can back out of here and you can just simply go into the lock screen, tap on the time itself, and you'll get the different view mode of everything there, okay? And that's pretty much it. You can go back and change them around at any given time, like and sub.